Coca-Cola reveals a touch-free Freestyle machine as restaurants ditch soda fountains during the pandemic. Have you ever used one of those machines, Will?
Where they mix the drinks together?
Yeah, you can make whatever you want. You just tap the touch screen and yeah. I was having actually just the sparkling Dasani on there when I would go to Firehouse Subs and they had one of those machines. I mean, I don't do this anymore, but when I would get the sparkling Dasani and just put a little bit of lime in it.
Just like a shot? Yeah,
just a little bit of lime in it. And that's what I was doing. It's kind of boring, but it was refreshing, which is what I go for. But you can do a billion different combinations of things on these Freestyle machines. Apparently there's, I think it's 52,000 of these machines out there in planet Earth right now, or in the US. So there's probably even more than that in across the globe, obviously, but 52,000 in the US. Now, because of what's going on, pandemic and so on, people aren't going to the restaurants. And if they are going to the restaurants, everyone's being really careful about what they're touching and the whole thing. And your typical fountain machines are pretty much gone out the door.
Right.
So Coca-Cola senses an opportunity here. They put a QR code where now all the touch interface happens on your phone instead of having to touch the machine. So you walk up to it, you scan your phone, and it's essentially the same interface. You don't need to install an app, which is cool because they could have gathered a bunch of data on you and made it a nightmare. And they claim that this is going to enhance people's experiences. They also claim that this market, this piece of the market has been hammered even worse than everywhere else. You know, I'm talking about the movie theaters and the restaurants. And so they're trying to, I guess, just enhance those experiences as people, to try to get people back into those experiences. I mean, I don't know the next time I'm going to be in front of a Freestyle machine. It's probably going to be a while still for me.
Right. But they're working on it. You know, they're helping out.
They're doing something.
Machines.
They're doing something. Yeah. So, anyways, that's a slight little upgrade. Granted, I don't know. I don't know how much I care here. Like, wouldn't it be better to actually?
People want their drinks.
No, but I'm starting to think, wouldn't it be better to just have an app?
Why?
Well, I don't know. Imagine everybody scanning their QRs and screwing up, and they're all standing right in front of the machine.
There's like a lineup?
There's a lineup of people messing around with the QR, and then the guy behind has to explain, oh, you just scanned the QR, hurry up. Yeah. And then there's a sign beside saying, don't touch the Freestyle machine, you must scan the QR. If it did just say download the Coca-Cola Freestyle app, I feel like that would, for more people, trigger exactly what to do. So now I'm questioning the QR thing. But I guess in different markets, people's comfort level with QRs are different.
Yeah. I guess they can't move this to the back where, like, the worker can actually just make the drink.
Well, the Freestyle machine that I was talking about at Firehouse Subs is not even close. But it's also not near the workers at all. It's its own section. You go fill up your drinks. It's just for customers. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know. Whatever. They're doing something. They're going to test it out. I'm sure if it fails terribly, then they'll just go with an app or something like that. We'll see what happens. But I understand what they're saying too, because do I need another app? Leave me alone. I'm here for 5 minutes. Okay, so I get that.
You got to sign up too. Ugh.